Alright, so boom, turn me up, don't turn me down. We back at it with another video today. We got the Lightning versus the Canadiens, April 9th to 2026 NHL season. Let's get it first, period. Highly recommended game right here. I was at the barber and y'all was spamming me to react to this one right here, so let's see what happened. This must have been a crazy game. Out of play? Alright.
Starts up that first pass off the mark. Rolls in on Vasilevsky.
Oh, turnover. Oh, try to shoot that from the corner? Hold on, Caufield. Nah, that shot was crazy. Really? Caufield tried to shoot that from the corner. Oh, shit. Imagine he got that goal, though. Commentator said that's a scorer shot right there. Nah, for real, though. Hudson with the puck. Slafkovsky. Drop pass right there. I like that. Whoa!
And he chips that one high. Hudson, Slafkovsky.
Ooh.
Takes a look.
Slafkovsky shot. Save. Rebound. Oh, is that hot stick? Yep. All right. Power play. 3 minutes 42. Caufield shot. Save. Minute 53 on the power play for the Canadiens. Ooh, stop.
That's one of those ones where you're waiting for it to settle if you're a defender trying to get it out efficiently, and the offensive guys have nothing to lose. Just take a whack at it. Slafkovsky got a piece of it.
Hudson with the puck.
Demidov,
Caufield. Ah, save. Good save right there, man.
Who got loose.
The first
see the replay on that.
On the power play. This is what I'm talking about. They really create a lot of stuff. That
Lightning doing good on defense for the Canadiens power play. Got to give it up to them, man.
Miss on the short side. But here's the last one. Cole Caufield getting over on that side. He's a righty on the right side. Fortunately.
Demidov turns it over.
Oh, turn it over. Good pass. Shoot it. Shot. Save. He hesitated for a second. Oh! Woo! Damn, why did he cut it off? Hold up. I wanted to see the aftermath. What happened? Damn, that's all I get. Sportsnet. That's all y'all gonna give me? Did nothing happen after that? Yo, if something happened after that, they didn't show me, I'm gonna be pissed. Y'all let me know, because I know y'all watched the game. Did something happen after that, or that's it? Because they just cut it off. It looked like that shit was about to get intense real quick right there. Damn, they really cut off Nate right there. Gensel, shot, save. Lightning on the power play, minute and 20. All right, power play over with now. Lightning won the draw. Oh, shit. Slafkovsky with the puck. Caufield shot. Oh! Oh, off the post! Woo! Close call. Off the post. Damn! All right, second period. Woo! We still got a 0-0 game, y'all.
The match has been lit.
And in case you're wondering, Kucherov has been in a fight. He's had 3 of them in the NHL.
3? All right.
Second period face-off brought to you by Rooms to Go. We're underway. Point up top. Here is Rad.
Lightning on the power play, minute 18. Kucherov.
Into the corner for Gensel. Watts it out.
Gensel shot, save.
It doesn't mean, though, when you get a chance at the net that you should be shot. And I don't want to see him defer.
Put battle in the corner.
Passing the puck to somebody else. He knows what to do. Shoot it.
There we go.
Here comes Suzuki. Drops it out to Caufield.
Caufield shot. That's a goal. Wait, huh?
Drops it out to Caufield. And there it is. The 7th player in the history of the Montreal Canadiens
7
to score 50 goals.
Damn! That's why y'all want me to react to that vid. Hold on. That boy Caufield 50th goal of the season. All right, man. Got to give the man Caufield his flowers on that. Shout out to Caufield in the chat right now in the comment section. 50th goal for Caufield to take the lead against the Lightning 1-0. 2-0. First score of the whole entire game. Congratulations, Caufield! Save. Shot. There we go. Save.
Disappears. He'll stay in behind.
All right.
Players are looking up.
Well,
there's
I can say I reacted to Caufield's 50th goal, man. Not a lot of people can say that, but I can.
Holmberg with an upper body injury out indefinitely. That happened Monday.
All right, let's see the Lightning respond. Top of this game.
He can get a stick on that before it's taken away by Hudson. For a short-handed break, instead it's a
Canadiens power play, 37 seconds. Shot saved. Nuho tried to score right there. Our power play over with.
Anderson coming again. That's the second time Anderson went after Kucherov. We'll have to watch what happens now.
Oh, they about to drop the gloves. Shot! I feel the tension. They about to drop the glove? Damn! Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got delayed penalty. They dropped the gloves. I told you I felt the tension. It felt like they was going to drop the gloves. Woo! All right.
Absolutely. He stepped up. So the puck comes off his foot.
After that hit.
As soon as Kucherov came out,
boom.
We put Anderson right back out again. So when he ran into him again, there's the neutral ice area.
Oh yeah, he wasn't fucking with that.
And so he took on a guy who
was not fucking with that at all. Damn, Anderson got Anderson got some good hits in though. Fucking him. Oh damn, you gonna fight back?
What to get from Anderson. So yeah, he got hit in the back of the head or whatever 4, 5, 6 times.
Shit, Anderson got a lot of hits in.
Pass up the ice for Perry. Chip to the point. Point to the net. And he
oh shit, ran into the goalie. Oh, they ain't fucking with that either. They not down. That shit cut off. Not fucking with that.
Does he have room?
Ran straight into the goalie. It's a Dobbs.
But when you drive in on an angle like
oh shit. Oh, team fighting now.
That's what started everything. Okay, so
ran into Dobis. My bad, I said dog. Ran into Dobis, man.
Slow-mo really shows you he was putting the brakes on. He didn't just continue on. Watch his feet here. That one doesn't show it. But there shows you the collision. And he's being pressured from the backside. There it is. See the brakes
yeah.
again there.
Yeah, you do got a point. He was getting pressure from the back. It looked like Point was really trying to stop, though.
See, the brakes are on.
Yeah.
And again there.
Okay.
The left foot, the brakes are on there. But as he drove in on the angle, he had enough room on the inside to Matheson.
Every single Canadiens player on that ice was not fucking with that, though. Hey, we see it. We see in the slow-mo version, like, all right, maybe he wasn't trying to run into him, but, hey, they ain't seeing that slow-motion part. They like, hey, y'all ran into Dobis. So what's up?
To Jackeye. Jackeye sidestepped a check there from Gord. And the puck is flipped into the Lightning zone.
Ooh.
McDonough wasn't sure where it was. Kapanen spins it out.
Oh, spin? What the fuck? Hold up.
On that chance
man, had spin moves and shit.
That was one of the weirdest plays I've seen in a while.
That was some crazy ass shit right there. Good pass, shot, save.
By Vasilevsky. Outstanding. Kapanen got all of that one.
Great save.
But still, it follows in after that. Vasilevsky later on the
Lightning holding it in here, but McDonough lost it.
Oh! 3-on-1 is insane. Shot save.
Puck on the rebound, and Slavkovsky couldn't get a second.
No rebound chance.
You know it's trouble. Really nice job here by Moser.
Look at Suzuki.
The cross-ice pass.
Caufield trying to get on that, get the rebound.
Suzuki's a good shooter, but Vasi's able to come out to the top.
Over the board there for points.
Power play for the Lightning. Minute 48.
Points. Perry out in front.
Shot! Saved! Woo!
And Brayton Point.
We seeing good saves in this game, y'all.
Here's Points.
Empty net for the Lightning. We got 2 minutes.
Perry into the corner, but Kucherov puts it across. And stepping in was Destu.
Oh, they fighting for that puck.
Destu in a puck back.
Hold up. Crazy ass puck back shot. Oh! Here we go. We got a tie game. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah. We got a tie game. Oh, shit. Lightning respond with what? A minute and 50, couple seconds on the clock.
To come downhill. There you go. There's the battle.
Good job with the Lightning winning the puck battle.
And there's the big shot.
Moved that puck around. Got the shot that they wanted and scored to tie up the game.
Kucherov puts it on the.
Woo! All right, we got a minute, 12 seconds left. Good shit, man. Oh, shot! Whoa! Nah, that get back was insane. Slafkovsky with the goal. Yo, they just answered right back. The Lightning literally just scored. Yo, look at this lady. She can't handle the noise in there. Look, I don't know how I just seen that. Yo, she cannot handle the noise. Yo, it must be, who went to the game? It must have really been loud in there. I understand, though. That get back was real. The Lightning literally just scored. And the Canadiens answered back in seconds. That is a crazy get back. Yo.
Little sloppy handle in the puck as the
what in the world?
And it costs them ultimately. They go back around with it. Moser tries to
Woo!
jam it.
Slafkovsky.
Suzuki.
Now, is that going to be the game winner, though? Because, hey, the Lightning could get they get back. You got a minute.
Suzuki with a good stick. Intercepts it, just shovels it out in front. And Slafkovsky's timing to get there is right. You can see what happens.
Suzuki with the assist. Let's see, hey, let's see if the Lightning can respond. Hell no, 2 seconds left. What happened with the time? Oh, yeah, that's GG's. Nah, that was an insane ending right there. We got Caufield 50 goal. We got Slafkovsky with the game-winning goal. Shit. Can't ask for nothing better than that, man. Hey, comment down below how y'all feel about this insane game right here, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.